Did you know that interval running can transform your digestion in ways you never imagined? Watch how this simple exercise unlocks your body's hidden potential. Interval running isn't just about burning calories, it's a powerful tool for creating perfect muscular balance throughout your body. When you alternate between high and low intensity running, you engage multiple muscle groups evenly, leading to improved symmetry from your core to your legs. This balanced muscle development has a surprising effect on your digestive system, helping food move more efficiently through your body, especially important as we age. Studies show that runners who incorporate intervals experience 30% better nutrient absorption compared to steady-state cardio enthusiasts. Adding beta-alanine supplements before your interval sessions can take these benefits even further. This amino acid reduces lactic acid buildup, allowing you to maintain intensity longer while supporting faster muscle recovery and enhanced digestive function. Start with 2-minute intervals and gradually increase duration as your body adapts. Ready to revolutionize your running routine? Drop a comment sharing your favorite interval workout time.